Hello, Ian here from DWK in Edenderry. I'm here in this beautiful home in Kinnegad, where I'm going to give you a small tour of a kitchen that we've recently fitted. I'm going to show you all the different accessories and features that this kitchen has. The kitchen itself is an Aldana door, which is a solid wood door, and this particular one has been hand painted. Just here, we have some beautiful hidden storage, which is fantastic for anyone who needs ease of access to the back of the cupboards. I'm going to move on and show you some more features that this kitchen has. Here we have a solid wood canopy, which has also been hand painted to go along with all the colours that we have on this particular side. It's situated over a gas hob, and the customer has gone with two sets of drawers. One I'll show you in a moment. This one in particular is used for utensils, pots and pans. As we move down, we've got some bin storage, which is situated perfectly between the hob. So if you're doing any chopping, scrape right in, and we'll move on now and I'll show you the sink area. So continuing on from the position of the bin, we're moving into the sink area. The customer has decided to go with some glass doors, which is a great feature that softens up the area as we don't have a window to look out at over the sink. We've also got our integrated dishwasher, which is situated really cleverly beside the sink. The customer can now scrape from the chopping board into the bin, rinse into the sink, and drop everything into the dishwasher. This area is very practical and functions really well for the client. So we've moved on now to the tall section of the kitchen. And in this area here, we've got our microwave, double oven, and we've got some storage above and a pot drawer below. As I move over, we've also got our integrated fridge and freezer. And this is a great way of keeping all the appliances hidden. But not just keeping the appliances hidden, we've also got a little secret, which is our built-in utility room. So we've made our way to the kitchen island, and this particular island is a real focal point in this kitchen. We've got beautiful solid wood pillars and solid wood end panels. We've also managed to hide another appliance. We have a drinks fridge just under the counter. The counter itself is quartz, and the customer has gone for large cutlery drawers and a few deep drawers underneath for more pots and pans. We've also got beautiful seating, which I'm going to show you now. So we've reached the end of our tour, and with no better place than a place to relax. This island boasts a fantastic seating area with a very simple overhang. Not just that, but it also has extra storage. Let me show you. So I very quickly want to thank Sarah and Nikki for welcoming us back into their home. And I want to remind you who we are. We're DWK. We're based in Edenderry in Offaly. We're open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday and 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Saturdays. And we'd love to invite you down to our showroom where we have a wide range of kitchens, wardrobes, utilities, pantries, and many more to show off. So please do pay us a visit.